Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the video from the ChatGPT without upgrade it to become the ChatGPT Plus. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, here I am accessing this ChatGPT from my PC. And of course, don't forget to do the login first or sign up first to access this ChatGPT. And after that, you can go to these GPTs and click the productivity category and choose this video AI. This GPT will help you to generate the engaging videos with a voiceover in any language. And after that, you can also start off the conversation by choosing the opening here that has been provided by this GPT. Or you can also just simply click the start chat here. And don't worry because I have prepared for you about the conversation I have done with this GPT to help me create the video. The first step is I better to attach a picture that related to this prompt that I would make the video. And after that, this GPT will give you two options about the video. It's like the cartoon or the mini short with a twist. And I decided to choose the option or the second option because this GPT will usually end up the conversation with the offering guys. And after that, it will also give you the script that will be read into your video. And after that, it will offer you again to generate the video, and I decided to answer yes. And after that, or it seems like that this video AI of ChatGPT will direct you into the another AI platform to generate my video. As you can see, there are the ai.invideo.io, and you can click this strawberry leaf, and after that it will direct you into the another tab, and it will usually give you the chance to choose, for example, the duration and also the ratio guys. And after that, you can follow the instruction to continue the process, and it will also give you a while, maybe 1 until 5 minutes or even more to generate the video guys. So the waiting process is like this, and this is the video that has been generated. I will show you the simple of this
On an
video.
ordinary table sat a simple jar of strawberry jam, drawn by the sweet aroma. Floating, smiling, and finally at home.
So this is the video that has been generated by this AI, from this video AI into the in video AI. And if you would like to download it, then you can simply click this download. But maybe you need to do the upgrade version to download this video. So
In
that's all
strawberry
guys.
heaven.
I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this AI video in ChatGPT. And if you have any requests or feedback about this video, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. And if you have any suggestion about the AI that can do the same like this AI, please don't worry to suggest us too on the video, on the comment section too, because we would love to make the video in another version. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Have a good day guys.